Alright, we are going to unlock the overhand arm wrap. Quickly, I want to show you the difference between a wrist wrap, an arm wrap, and a shoulder wrap. The main difference is where your anchoring hand is going to be. In this case, I'm swinging with my right hand, I'm anchoring with my left hand. So with a wrist wrap, my anchor is near my wrist, like this. Alright, with an arm wrap, my anchor is near my elbow. And with a shoulder wrap, my anchor is near my armpit. Like that. So from an overhand swing, there are two ways to do an arm wrap. One is on the same side, in this case, letting it wrap around my right hand on the right side, or on the opposite hand where I let it wrap around my right hand on the left side. So let's start with doing it on the same side first. We do overhand swings. The first thing that you want to know is if you're wrapping on the same side, what's going to happen is you will let the rope come down one round first. So if I go to the right like this, one, and then on the second round, I have my right hand out further than my left hand, and I have my left hand close to my right elbow like so. And then the rope is then going to come over the back around my right hand. So that's step number one. Step number two, I pull it over to my left side. And step number three, I unwrap it. Right? So let it swing over, down, and then around, cross, and then unwrap. So swing over, down, and around, cross, unwrap. Swing over, down, and around, cross, unwrap. Right from the side. Swing over, under, and around, cross, unwrap. Swing over, under, and around, cross, unwrap. Swing over, under, and around, cross, unwrap. On the opposite side, what's going to happen is you swing over to my left side, and now my right hand is still further out than my left hand because I want it to wrap around my right hand. Left hand's going to be elbow close to my left hip, and my fist grabbing the rope is going to be close to my right elbow. And what's going to happen is it's going to come around the top and wrap around like this. That's step one. Step two is you bring it over to the right side. And then step three is you unwrap it on the right side. All right, so cross, overwrap, push over, and wrap. Cross, wrap, cross, unwrap. Cross, wrap, cross, unwrap. Here's what it looks like from the side. Cross, wrap, cross, unwrap. Cross, wrap, cross, unwrap. From the other side, cross, wrap, cross, unwrap. Cross, wrap, cross, unwrap.